Hello, I'm going to teach you how to upload your first YouTube video. So just type YouTube in a search bar, then click enter. After that, you want to click the YouTube link. You should be at the YouTube homepage, and now click the profile picture, top right, and then click your channel. Now hit upload video. Again, your video should already be edited and everything, just ready to upload. So select files to find the video. Now we're just finding the video. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video. I have directions there. Now create your YouTube title. Your YouTube title should be somewhat what the video is going to be about. Then hit next, and if it's kids appropriate or not, hit yes or no if it is. And if it's not, hit no. Now video elements, again, your video should already be edited. And now it's just doing checks. And now you want to select if your video is going to be private, public, or unlisted. And hit save, and then close, and your YouTube video should be installing. This would take about 10 to an hour depending on how your internet is. Thank you. Have a great day.